Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can create app folders, move apps around, bring apps to your home screen, and so on. So that's your home screen here, and when we go to our menu, we have Lieferando here, and let's say you want to bring Lieferando to your home screen. For that, you just need to press on it and move it around, and then it jumps to your home screen automatically, and you can now move it around, bring it to other slides. You can also create a total new slide, and then you just drop it where you want it to go. So you can move any other app around as well. Just press, hold, and then just move it around. If we want to create a folder now, we take our app and drag it over the other app we want it to be in a folder with. You cannot create a folder with only one app, you need at least two. So now there's the circle around, and this is our folder now. We can edit the name as well. We can say, hello, this is our folder's name now. You see here, you can see the name here, and then there's the folder. You can also put other apps in this folder as well. And if you have your folder and you now want to take apps out of the folder, you just press and hold and then just move it out of the folder. When we move all the apps out of the folder, and then there are only two left, and we take another one out, the folder will disappear automatically, so you cannot have one app in one folder. We can also move a folder around. You just need to press and hold and then just move it around. You can also bring that to another slide. So you can organize it however you like it. So that's how you can create folders on your Motorola Moto G13. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.